shower curtain is an optional add-on designed specifically for the rear of our vans. It comes in a durable carrying bag to safely stow in your van. You'll find the curtain comes in 3 panels. The main curtain panel measures approximately 6.2 feet tall and 4.4 feet wide. The curtain attaches securely to the rear doors using built-in magnets sewn directly into the fabric, while the side panels enclose the space between the garage area and the rear doors for additional coverage, providing added privacy when using the included outdoor shower mounted on the rear door. The magnets allow you to easily adjust your panels for height and comfort. Inside, there is plenty of room to rinse off. Overall, it's a simple, quick, and effective way to create a private outdoor shower space wherever your travels take you.